Hey everybody, it's Loretta with Cooking It Up Country again, and we're going to be doing a great little recipe today that I think you'll enjoy, and it's restaurant style salsa. Now, you know, we in the South, we love to go to these Mexican restaurants and get a little bowl of salsa, but it's never enough. So this way you can just make all you want. This dish is so economical. You can make the whole dish for no more than $3. So let's get started. This is going to be a great little recipe, and it's so quick. Now, first of all, you want to add about 28-ounce can of tomatoes. Now, this is a large can. I can all of my homemade tomatoes here, and I love to do that. They're just so good. But you can get those at the grocery store. You can get them whole or either stewed. It doesn't matter because it's going to go in your blender here. So you add 28 ounces of tomatoes, regular tomatoes. And then you add 2 cans of Rotel. Now I have the mild here, but if you like a little bit more heat, you can get the hotter ones. So I'm going to add that to my mixture here. Okay. Now, 1 whole jalapeno, roughly chopped. Now, be careful when you're slicing up this jalapeno, because the oils in it will burn your hands, and you may not know it right then, but later you will. So we're going to add 1 jalapeno, okay, the juice of 1 lime, fresh lime, okay, 1/4 cup of roughly chopped onion, and I have a red onion here, but you can use whatever kind that you prefer. And here is our about 2 cloves of minced fresh garlic. Okay. All right. Now, you have a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of honey. Okay. Here we go. 1 teaspoon of honey for just a tad of sweetness. Okay. All right. Now, one of the important ingredients is cilantro. So we're just going to roughly chop up a handful here. You know, whatever your taste is, if you like it more or less. We're just going to rough chop a little bit right here and just throw it in here. Oh, that smells so good, that cilantro. Okay, now we're going to put our lid on. We're going to put our top on, hopefully. There we go. Now just give it a few salts. It's about to run over here. You can see how much this makes. A very large recipe. See how quick that is? Oh my goodness. Now I'm going to use one of these little bowls here for, look at there. Oh my gosh. Now, I can tell you, the longer this sits, the more flavor there will be. So, about an hour, if you make it, you know, it should have the flavors all marinated together. Really good. Or overnight is really good. Now, this will keep in the refrigerator for about 2 weeks. So, it's just an economical thing. Just think, if you bought individual salsa, how much that costs. You could make a whole great big batch for just $2 to $3. So that's very economical. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try it right now to see what it tastes like. You can put this on tacos, enchiladas, any kind of Mexican dish that you have. And like I said, if you want more jalapenos, more heat, you can bump it up. I gotta try it. Delicious. Okay, for now, I've enjoyed it. And if you would like my video here, if you've enjoyed that, so someone else can sprinkle the love around. We can't say S-H-R-E, but if you'll share and sprinkle the love around, I appreciate that. And for now, until we cook again, God bless you.